Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can change the aspect ratio in CapCut Special for PC. So it's super simple, but I think this is for you who are using CapCut PC for the first time. So how to change? Alright, um, you're just going to click ratio button, the button from the preview panel. Just click on it so you can find the aspect ratio. Select this one that you needed. For example, if you want to create the TikTok content or just um, Instagram story, you can select the 9 to 16 and you can resize the clips. Right, another example, if you want to pause the Instagram feed, you can select 1 to 1 and you can merge it. So you can merge it. That's it. So I think this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.